Most people who become millionaires do so quietly. They don't tell many people about their success, and they certainly don't flaunt it. But how did they do it? What is it about them that allowed them to get to $1 million without telling anyone? Here are 10 habits of people who quietly became millionaires. No. 1. They have multiple streams of income. This is the most important habit of all. If you want to be a millionaire, you need to have more than one source of income. The easiest way to get to $1 million is by earning $1,000 a month for 30 years. That's only $12,000 a year, which is very doable if you have multiple streams of income. Most millionaires built their fortunes slowly over time with multiple streams of income. They didn't get there overnight. Even if you earn $10,000 a month, but only count your primary job as income, you won't make it to $1 million anytime soon. But if you have 2 or 3 sources of income that bring in $10,000 a month, you can easily reach $1 million in less than 10 years. No. 2. They pay themselves first. People who quietly become millionaires make it a priority to save money. When they get paid, they set aside a portion of their income for savings before paying expenses or making any other purchases. By setting financial goals and sticking to a budget, they ensure that they're able to reach their savings goals each month. No. 3. They invest in assets that generate passive income. Real estate, rental properties, and dividend-paying stocks are some of the best ways to make passive income. Most people who quietly became millionaires did so by investing in assets that brought in cash flow on autopilot. This allowed them to keep more of their money and grow their wealth over time. By generating passive income, these individuals were able to take advantage of the power of compounding returns, which can exponentially grow their wealth over time. No. 4. They live below their means. People who become millionaires understand the importance of living below their means. No matter how much money they make, they're careful not to spend too much and always keep an eye on their finances. Instead of keeping up with the Joneses, they focus on their financial goals and make smart decisions about their spending. As a result, they're able to save more money and invest it wisely, which eventually leads to their success. No. 5. They diversify their investments. It's important not to put all your eggs in one basket. This is why people who become millionaires typically diversify their investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical locations. This helps to reduce risk and ensure that they're not too reliant on any one investment. Diversification also allows them to take advantage of different investment opportunities and potentially increase their returns. No. 6. They're willing to take calculated risks. Becoming a millionaire typically requires taking some level of risk. Whether it's starting a new business, investing in a new venture, or making a career change. These individuals are often willing to step outside of their comfort zone and take on new challenges. However, they always make sure to weigh the potential risks and rewards before making any decisions. Number 7. They have a long-term perspective. People who become millionaires typically have a long-term perspective when it comes to their finances. They understand that building wealth takes time and patience. And not looking for quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, they focus on making smart investments and sticking to their financial plan over the long haul. No. 8. They continuously learn and adapt. People who become millionaires are often lifelong learners. They understand the importance of continually learning and adapting in order to stay ahead of the curve. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or networking with other successful individuals, they make it a priority to learn from others and stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. No. 9. They build strong networks. Building a strong network of friends, family, and professional contacts is essential for anyone who wants to become a millionaire. Having a support system in place can provide valuable, emotional, practical, and financial support when needed. It can also open doors to new opportunities and help you stay motivated and accountable on your journey to success. No. 10. They practice gratitude. Being grateful for what you have is an important habit for anyone who wants to become a millionaire. Gratitude helps you appreciate the blessings in your life and stay focused on the positive. It can also help you stay motivated and inspired to achieve your financial goals. Practicing gratitude can help you cultivate a positive mindset, which is essential for success. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire is a dream that many people share, but it's important to remember that it's not achieved overnight. It's the result of consistent effort and good financial habits over time. By adopting the habits of people who have already achieved millionaire status, you can put yourself on the right path towards financial success. So start small, stay focused, and be patient. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals.